All right, so we're planting some Cascadia fully organic peas today, guys. Peas are great. They like the cool weather. Get them in early. We're just before our last frost date, which is, we always go by about May 2-4. That's just before June, obviously. And where we are, that's generally the cutoff. So we're a week or so ahead of time right now. So what we're gonna do is we're planting rows. Here's peas. They look like peas, don't they? Dried up peas. They don't look so good right now. They'll look better soon, don't worry. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna plant 2 rows side by side so they help support each other. Peas are natural climbers, so they're gonna wanna naturally climb and dome up. So we're gonna plant them side by side so they can help to grow them up and keep them off the ground. We're gonna plant one down, 2 rows down each side of this bed, because we're gonna be planting some more stuff on the inside of this bed a little bit later on. As these are finishing up, part of our succession planting, as we've talked about that before, we're gonna plant something in the middle, and we're planting something that's an early start on the outsides first, get them done out of the way, and then we have stuff going in the middle that's going to take up the rest of the bed. So what we're going to do is we're going to plant these guys down in the soil, 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch in the soil. About the rows are going to be about 6 to 8 inches apart in width, and we're going to put one of these every about 2 inches or so, 3 inches maybe, and then we're going to pull the soil back over as we normally do. So I've already drawn some lines. And all we got to do is just go down every 2 or 3 inches. We can, maybe we'll just do them one by one so we keep them nice. And so this is what I was talking about right here, where this is our second row that we're going to be starting. See how close they are together? That's closer than we normally plant, and that helps to keep them, like I said, up off the ground, because they're going to naturally climb into one another, like the 2 rows. And we're going to continue all the way down. So peas like cool weather, so that's why we got to get them in early. While the temperatures during the daytime don't get too high, so it's going to vary a little bit for where you live, but for where we're located, we want to get them in just before our last frost. So anyways, guys, let's get them planted, and we're gonna have fun here.